English conversation. How to plan activities with friends.
Hey, guys, I was thinking we should plan something fun for the weekend. Any ideas?
Absolutely. I'm up for it. What are you thinking?
Well, considering the weather is great. How about an outdoor activity? Maybe a hike or a day at the beach.
A hike sounds awesome. We can enjoy nature and get some exercise. Any specific trail in mind?
There's that scenic trail I've heard about. It leads to a beautiful viewpoint. What do you think?
Sounds like a plan. Let's make a checklist of what we need. Comfortable shoes, water, snacks.
And sunscreen. Don't forget that. I got us covered on that front.
Great. After the hike, we can find a nice spot for a picnic. How about everyone brings a dish?
Perfect. I make a killer pasta salad. What about you?
I can handle dessert duty. How about some homemade cookies?
That sounds delicious. All right, so we have the hike, picnic, and maybe we can finish the day with a board game back at my place.
Love it. I'll bring a couple of games. I have.
This is shaping up to be an amazing day. What time should we start?
Let's aim for a morning hike, say around 10 a.m. That gives us plenty of time for everything.
Works for me. Can't wait for our weekend adventure.
At the restaurant conversation. How to and what to say when ordering.
I'm excited about tonight's dinner. Anything specific you're in the mood for?
How about we start with an appetizer? The stuffed mushrooms are always a hit here.
Great choice. Stuffed mushrooms it is. Now, for the mains. Any preferences?
I've heard their seafood is fantastic. Maybe we can share a seafood platter?
That sounds perfect. I do love a good variety. And I've heard their steak is top-notch. How about we split the seafood platter and get a steak to share?
Sounds like a plan. Medium rare for the steak?
Absolutely. Now, what about sides?
Agreed. Let's add that. And maybe a side salad for a bit of freshness.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we'll start with the stuffed mushrooms as an appetizer. Then, we'd like to share the seafood platter and a medium rare steak, please.
And for sides, garlic mashed potatoes and a side salad.
Excellent choices. Anything to drink.
A bottle of your recommended red wine, please.
Perfect. I'll get that for you. Enjoy your meal.
This looks like it's going to be a delicious evening.
Couldn't agree more. Can't wait to dig in.
English learning for job interview success. How to navigate job interview conversations in English.
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Are you also here for the interview?
Hi, Sarah. Yes, I'm Alex. Pleasure to meet you too. Yeah, I have an interview scheduled for the marketing position.
Great, me too, but for the graphic design role. How did you prepare for the interview?
Well, researched the company thoroughly, polished my resume, and rehearsed responses to common interview questions. How about you?
Same here. I delved into the company's values, recent projects, and of course, practiced answering behavioral questions. Oh, and I made sure to have a few questions ready for them, too.
Smart move. It shows initiative. What's your approach to introducing yourself during the interview?
I plan to start with a brief introduction about my background and experience, emphasizing how it aligns with the job requirements. And of course, expressing my enthusiasm for the position.
Sounds solid. I was thinking of doing something similar. Highlighting my skills and achievements related to the role. I want to convey confidence without sounding too rehearsed.
That's key. Authenticity matters. Also, make sure to connect your experiences to the specific needs of the job.
Absolutely. Any tips on handling the classic, tell me about yourself question?
Definitely. I plan to give a concise overview of my professional journey, focusing on relevant achievements and skills. It sets a positive tone for the rest of the interview.
Good call. I'll do the same. It's about presenting a snapshot of your career that piques their interest. By the way, how do you usually conclude your introductions?
I like to wrap up by expressing my excitement about the opportunity and conveying that I'm eager to contribute to the team's success. It leaves a positive impression.
I like that. Positive energy is contagious. Alright, wish you the best in there, Sarah.
Thanks, Alex. You too. Let's rock this interview.
Talking about fitness and English. How Simon and Joliet navigate fitness conversations.
Hey, guys, it's been a while. How's everyone doing?
Doing well, staying busy. How about you?
Same here, just trying to stay active. Speaking of which, have you guys adopted any new fitness routines lately?
Actually, yeah, I started incorporating morning walks into my routine. It's been a game changer for me.
Nice. I've been meaning to do that. How did you get started?
Well, I realized I needed a simple start. So I began with a short 15-minute walk every morning. Gradually increased it. Now, up to 45 minutes, and it's really refreshing.
That's awesome. Small steps can lead to big changes. What about you, Joliet? Any new routines?
I've been into home workouts lately. Found some great online classes. It's so convenient.
That's a great idea. I always struggle with finding time for the gym.
Definitely. I love the flexibility of home workouts. Joliet, any specific type of classes you'd recommend?
I've been doing a mix of height and yoga. Keeps things interesting and covers both cardio and flexibility.
I need to look into that. I've been slacking a bit on the flexibility side.
It's inspiring to hear how you guys are staying active. I've been trying to get into more strength training. Any tips?
Start with bodyweight exercises if you're new to it. Squats, lunges, and push-ups are great beginner's moves.
And don't forget to mix it up. Add variety to keep it engaging. You could try incorporating free weights or resistance bands.
Solid advice. I'll give that a shot. It's great that we can motivate each other to stay on track with our fitness routines.
Absolutely. We should plan a workout together sometime.
Count me in. It's always more fun with friends.
Conversation about an invitation. How to perfect your event invitations.
Hey, I was thinking of hosting a small get-together next weekend. Are you free?
Oh, that sounds great. What's the occasion?
No specific occasion. Just a casual gathering to catch up and have a good time. I thought it would be nice to bring some friends together.
Count me in. I'd love to join. Any particular theme or activities planned?
I was thinking of keeping it laid back. Maybe some board games, snacks, and good music. Nothing too formal.
Perfect. I'm always up for a chill night. How many people are you thinking of inviting?
Not too many, maybe around 10 to 12 people. I want it to be intimate, where everyone can comfortably engage in conversations and enjoy.
Nice. Do you need help with anything? I can bring some snacks or drinks.
That would be fantastic. I'll take care of the main snacks. But if you want to bring your favorite drink or a dish, that would be much appreciated.
Sure thing. Anything else you need help with?
Actually, yes. I was thinking of sending out invites digitally. Do you have any preferred platform for event invites? Email, WhatsApp, or something else?
I'm good with either email or WhatsApp. Whatever works for you.
Perfect. I'll create a simple digital invite and send it out to everyone. Also, if you know anyone who might enjoy the gathering, feel free to bring them along.
Will do. Looking forward to it. Let me know if you need any more help with the preparations.
Thanks. I'll make sure everything is set. Can't wait to have a good time with everyone.
Your support means everything to us. If you're enjoying the content, show some love by giving it a like. It's a small gesture that goes a long way in motivating us to create more. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to be the first to know when we drop new videos. Join us on this exciting journey.